Menteri Rangba ka Jalau Conrad ki sangma ula pentik na babaro saumut ki MLA jong ka parti NPP ki bela syak no na ka kenhun menteri ka Jala ha ka basdang jong neu penai ki layo ya ka Shithi na ka liang jong u ka bala pentip ya ki Halor ka rai ban pensange no ya ki na ka kenhun menteri ha ba kentho ya ka te ki Jingkynnoh jong ka kong Ampareen Lyngdoh ka bala penpau ha pedeng ka program ha New Delhi ha ka bakala ong bakala syak penhiar kardan no na ka kenhun menteri Menteri Rangba ka Jalau Conrad ki sangma ula penkan mau badai haka khat atrik September haka por kumba praba JAA ula Phah ya ka Shithi sabaro saungut ki menteri ka NPP ki badan haka kenhun menteri Halor ka rai jongki nakaliang ki kenhun menteri ula ong ba ula Phah ya ka Shithi bat baro ki la yo ya ka Shithi bat ula kmilanti ba enda ki la yo ya ka Shithi nau menteri Rangba ka Jala ken sayat lengba ka jingpen bet ula ong bat ula pentik na ba ya ki Shithi la yo pediang dong nong yalam ka NPP bat labut ya ka rukom treikam ka papaka.
She came out openly saying that there was an embarrassing situation in Delhi. She had to go there. No prior information consultation was held before she was removed.
Just so that we put the records straight, on Friday, the 12th of September, when the cabinet when the assembly was over, in the evening at about 8 o'clock, I had dispatched letters to all the concerned ministers, especially from the National People's Party, because the other parties had already decided and some were still working on their decision. And so, minusing the other political parties and other coalition partners, to the four cabinet ministers from the National People's Party, the letter was sent and all of them had received the letter. And obviously, I expect that when they receive a letter from Chief Minister, they will go through it and they will see it. And we have confirmed that the letter was received. And so that is what the procedure was followed with everyone. And so the question of not communicating and not informing does not arise. In the letter, it is much better because all the details were mentioned. I did not share the letter with the press, and if necessary, we can share that letter also. But this exercise was conducted and all had received the letter.